myself Anand Sakti. I welcome all of you at my YouTube channel. Today I have taken a topic Assam Mizoram boundary dispute. Recently on 26th of July there was a violent clash which erupted on the border of Assam and Mizoram. In this discussion we shall know what is the exact reason behind this dispute between these two states Assam and Mizoram. What lies at the heart of this dispute? So, let us begin. First of all, let us know about the interstate disputes in our country. The interstate disputes in our country is not new. In fact, the interstate disputes, there are several reasons behind the interstate disputes in our country. As for example, the issue of boundary and the issue of migration. These are issues which are responsible for the disputes between the two states. Apart from this, the issue of sharing of river water is also one of the issue of the dispute between the two states. So, what happened on 26th of July in case of Assam and Mizoram, there occurred a violent clash between the police personnel of both these states, and unfortunately in this violent incident even 6 police personnel of Assam lost their lives and several other people suffered injuries. After this incident, the chief ministers of both these states started blaming each other of provocating the violence. They started playing the game of, they started blaming each other. Now, let us try to understand what is the reason behind this dispute between Assam and Mizoram. The dispute between Assam and Mizoram is very old. In fact, before independence, I have drawn here the rough map of northeastern part of India. Before independence, when there was British rule in our country, the Britishers, they were particularly more interested in the resources of northeast part of India. And so, in order to protect their own commercial interest, they used to draw or they used to fix the boundaries of the states haphazardly, even without proper consultation, even without making proper consultation with the local leaders of these states. And also the complex geography, the complex history and the demography of northeastern parts of our country is also responsible for the boundary issue. It was very difficult to fix the boundary or to demarcate the boundary. So, all these reasons are somewhat responsible for the interstate boundary disputes in our country. Now, let us focus our discussion on Assam and Mizoram. What happened that the violence erupted again on the border of Assam and Mizoram. See, friends, before independence, Assam, here I have drawn in red sketch, Assam was a very large state and it included other present day states like Manipur, Mizoram, etc. But after independence, when the boundary, when India was reorganized, several other states or union territories were carved out of Assam. Now, in case of Assam and Mizoram, which was also a part of Assam, was at that time known as Lusai Hills. It was a district of Assam and Mizoram became union territory in the year 1972 and it got full statehood. Mizoram became a full-fledged state in the year 1987 by the 53rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1986. Now, what happened that till the year 1971, Mizoram, which was a part of Assam, and it was known as Lusai Hills. Now, after 1972, that is when it became union territory, the opposition started with regard to boundary. Here I have written the three border districts of Assam. The three border districts of Assam, that are Kachar, Karimganj and Hailakandi. Here I have drawn here the three border districts of Assam, and the three border districts of Mizoram are Aizawl, Kolasib and Mamit. You can note down these names for the purpose of examination. These three border districts of Assam and the three border districts of Mizoram, they face each other, they share a common boundary, and the boundary between Assam and Mizoram is 165 km long. Now, behind this dispute between Assam and Mizoram, there lies the two notifications of British administration. The very first exercise to demarcate the boundary between Assam and Mizoram was done in the year 1785. Sorry, I have written wrong. 1875. The first exercise to demarcate the boundary between Assam and Mizoram was done in the year 1875 through a British notification. And through this demarcation, the plains of Kachar, which was a part of, which was a district in Assam, the plains of Kachar were demarcated with Lusai Hills, which is present day Mizoram. With this notification, there was a demarcation between the Assam plains of Kachar in Assam with the Lusai Hills in Mizoram. But this notification was brought out. This notification was brought out with the consultation of the local leaders of Mizoram also. So this notification was accepted or supported by the people who were residing in Mizoram. But what happened that again in the year 1933, another notification was issued by the British government, and this notification of 1933, this demarcated the boundary between Mizoram and Manipur, Lusai Hills and Manipur, and with this notification some part of Lusai Hills went to Manipur also. So this is the point of conflict, this is the point of dispute. This notification of 1933, this was brought without any consultation with the local leaders of Mizoram, and this is the point of conflict. Assam government support this notification, the 1933 notification, whereas Mizoram supports this notification, the 1875 notification. Their argument is that this notification was issued after consultation of our local leaders, local chiefs of Mizoram, but the 1930 this notification of 1933, this was issued without any consultation of our local leaders. So there is a disagreement between both these states over which notifications to follow. So this is the point of conflict, and they both accuse each other of encroaching their own land. These two notifications are responsible for the border disputes between Assam and Mizoram. Now, today in the present times, there was an agreement between the government of Assam and Mizoram to held status quo over this disputed area. But despite of the agreement, often there are encroachments by both these sides over their lands, and this resulted into conflicts. So this was all about the Assam and Mizoram boundary dispute. But we all know that violence can never be the solution to sort out the problem. So the government of Assam and Mizoram should sit together and held peaceful talks, as well as the central government must intervene to resolve this problem as soon as possible. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.